Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life, Series 11. Today is day number 27, and today's sketch is by Alma Ross. This is also my Counterfeit Kit Challenge day, and it is layout number 3. I forgot to mention that yesterday, but I'm doing Counterfeit Kit Challenge this week. So anywho, here's where I'm starting off. There is a what looks like a banner of hearts across the top of the page, so I pulled this banner sheet out. I think I'm going to fussy cut some of these banners to put across the top. This is going to be my background, and then on the sketch it looks like there's 2 papers in the background, and so I'm going to mat it on that orange and then use this with the yellow and orange and red and blue and green, all the primary colors, the banner. Not so much the happy day, maybe the happy day, I don't know. Anywho, so I'm going to put that across there as that, and then I have, it is a 1 photo sketch, but I have 2 photos that I want to get used, so I'm gonna convert it. It has a place where it has a title out to the side, and then right underneath it, it has journaling, and then it will have an embellishment cluster up here, and then one over to the side of the photos, and I guess that one where the journal is below the title could possibly be a journal spot. But it looks like there's lots of mixed media around the background. Yeah. I'm not doing mixed media at this point, y'all. I might get some sprinkles out, but I even kind of doubt that. Anywho, some mist or whatever you want to call it. I'm not even going to get that. So let me show you everything that I have pulled in. So I have both these bowls of ephemera. This is the one that was from Echo Park, but you can see the colors are terrific. How awesome is that? You know, these are great colors, and these are Echo Park as well, so they all work together. I don't think they belong to this line. This is the Birthday Boy line on this one, and then Toy Box on this one, and that's just a random piece of orange cardstock that I had added into the kit. I also have these ephemera bits from Cheeky Studio. There's tons in here. There's cut-aparts in here. There's all sorts of floral and fauna in here. So I have tons to play with as far as that goes. And because I couldn't make up my mind with just having these papers, I thought I needed to pull in tons of embellishments, so I did. I pulled in this chipboard accent sheet. I pulled these Chit Chat stickers back in. I pulled this set from, what is that? We Are Memory Keepers. I pulled in this set from Pink Fresh. This set from Cosmo Cricket. This set from Close to My Heart. Those are 7 Gypsies, I believe. These are Freckled Fawn. These are Freckled Fawn. I'm thinking I'm either going to do my title in this or my journaling in this. I don't know. These are Freckled Fawn. These are all from the same kit right here. The only thing that I didn't use this go around was the little wood veneer pencils that came with. But I did pull in some cork pieces. I did pull in some puffy stars. I pulled in that final sticker there to see if I can use that. I have some snap stickers here, and then I have this sticker book from Dear Lizzie with American Crafts. I don't know if I'm going to use anything out of there, but I pulled it to see. Anywho, I will show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 27 for Christy's Beautiful Life and layout number 3 for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. What I did not use, these enamel dots, and this sticker book, and this sticker sheet, and those die cuts. I did use these die cuts. These are the papers that I use for my background. I pulled this one in to mat my photos. That was a scrap of paper, and then here are the 2 that I chose originally with their branding strips. So this is what's going back into my stash. And then as far as stickers go, I used the last sticker on this sheet. I used a sticker from both of these snap sheets. I used multiple ones from here. And then I used this small one from this sheet. I did use a couple of stickers from here, or 1 sticker from here. And then I used a portion of a sticker from here and here. I used 2 pieces of washi tape. I used this alphabet. I used some word phrases. I used a color strip, or no, I used a word phrase, or a phrase there. I used a border strip from here. I used a circle embellishment from here, a cork piece from here, and then a sticker from here. I did use puffy stickers from each of these sheets, and I used 3 small words here, here, and here, and then I used 1 sticker from here, and here is the layout that I created. And y'all know I love how this turned out. I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to like it with just the red and the orange being the primary colors, but when I threw in the green here and then a little dot here and then the green up in the border strips, I think it turned out terrific. I have the orange, red, and yellow stars in each of these clusters. Here's a sticker, multiple labels and stickers up in here, same down here. Here's that border strip. Here's the 2019 sticker, and then another sticker and a little die cut piece, and then there's that phrase. There's the thanks very much and what's next from here. And then just this love is a piece of chipboard, lipstick kisses, and then I put my journaling here with the cork sticker and a little die cut piece. And then there's a couple of chipboard pieces, 1 in each cluster here. So anyway, this layout is done. I will have close-ups of the embellishment clusters at the end of the video. So if you are interested, please stick around for that. Yeah, tomorrow I will be back with another layout with this collection that I put together, and we'll just keep working our way through it until it gets done, or I put it away on the shelf until the next big project that I have going on. Anyway, friends, I appreciate you being here, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.